Everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? And dito lang ako sa house ngayon, and then hindi kami lumalabas, and then kasi si Wakana bukas punta kami ng Kushigaya, kaya relax muna ngayon, and then gawa ako ng new video about dresses for this spring and summer, and then I want to show you guys my collection, new dresses I've collect, and also some dresses I buy last year, and then this is my new one, and I love this color, actually red orange, I really like that color, and then ito yung dress ko na bago ngayon, and then I really excited to wear this spring now and summer, and then also I have a dress na I really like this dress because very stretchable. Nabili ko to doon sa Forever 21 last year, and I really like this dress, and then very comfortable pag isuot kasi napaka-stretchable nito, and then and so very sexy kasi V ang dito ang harap, V ang style, so you look sexy. And then also I have a dress na itong dress na talaga to, nakita ko yung si Miss Angelina Jolie nung buntis siya, nakita ko sa magazine, and parang ganito yung sinusuot niya nung parang pregnancy na one piece maxi dress. And then nabili ko to sa H&M. Last year din ko to nabili, pero once ko lang ata to nagamit. Super haba kasi hindi ko pa naputulan, kaya pag sinusuot ko kailangan kong mag-wear ng mahaba na heels. So ito yon, and also I really like V-type style na sa harap kasi you look very sexy. And then also nung nagpunta kami ng asawa ko sa Abab, nakabili ako ng mga maxi dress din doon kasi nagsisell. And then this one very light, para siyang lace ang design, and very napakaganda nito ngayong summer, and napakahaba. And then also I have one black, also I love black color kasi para maging maliit katingnan, pero siwanay kasi tanggap ko na kasi na ganito na talaga katawan ko, pero depende na yan sa pagdadala mo kung paano mo idala yung sarili mo, yung body size mo. And then ito yung paborito ko din na one piece, and kahit sobrang haba nito hindi ko pinuputulan kasi talagang gustong gusto ko ito, at saka very malambot ang tela. Nabili ko din ito sa isang boutique, and then very stretchable. Actually itong orange ko nabili ko to sa Anap, and I really like this. So sexy. Andito talagang hindi masyadong halata yung tiyan kasi parang mayroong mga pleats dito sa harap. And then also this violet one, nabili ko ito sa Abab, and I'm so very excited to wear this new maxi dresses, and also wear sexy sandals this spring and summer. And then hope you enjoy this new fashion, spring and summer fashion style about our new dresses. And then maganda talaga ako, mas gusto kong mag-wear ng mga one piece dress, mga maxi dress pag summer or spring kasi mas I feel comfortable, and talagang pag gumagalaw-galaw ka, napaka-comfortable talaga, and saka very sexy talaga. Talaga pag gusto ko ng mga one piece dress kasi gusto ko mga ganito talaga ng mga damit. And then I want to show you guys my sandals, and this is from Zara. Hindi ba kita? Ayan. So very sexy. I like this, and this is from Zara. I excited to wear this, very comfortable to wear. And thank you for watching guys, and be beauty always, and God bless everyone, and I miss you all. Hope you like this tutorial today, and And so excited na talagang hindi na malamig sa labas ngayon, mahangin lang pero hindi na talaga malamig, and you can wear now t-shirts like that. And then kailangan mo lang partneran ng mga blazers, kung mayroon mga blazers, kasi spring na talaga. And then let's enjoy our spring and summer season, and God bless everyone, and be beauty always, and always smile, smile, smile. Smile is the secret of beauty. And thank you for always watching, guys.